UV DTF Printer ABS Film Installation Tutorial. A film is installed on the upper bracket, and B film is installed on the lower bracket. A film does not need to be installed in the center, but needs to be installed close to the print head. A film passes under the iron rod. Lift the rubber roller. A film both sides of the force are evenly distributed. Put down the rubber roller. Install a film protective film take-up device. Use a blade to cut the protective film and peel it off. Turn on the printer and connect the software. Install B film. Torn off the protective film passed over the iron rod. Use tape to stick it on the paper delivery container. Open the paper collector and adjust the rotation torque so that the protective film can be torn off from a film on both sides of a film to keep the torque on both sides consistent. Let's take a look at the effect of paper feeding.